Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Prerna. I'm a doctor and a student of cosmetic science. And on this channel, I usually talk about topics concerning skin, hair, and cosmetics. And today I'm going to be talking about AHAs, that is alpha hydroxy acid. And in cosmetic products, it is commonly used for chemical exfoliation in the form of glycolic acid, lactic acid, and mandelic acid. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. So let me start by explaining how do the AHA work on your skin. So the topmost layer of our skin consists of dead cells, which have lost their function and lie unevenly on the surface of the skin. So when the light hits the surface of your skin, it gets reflected in many different angles, giving the skin a dull and uneven texture. So these AHAs are used in cosmetic products to act as a chemical exfoliator, which help in dissolving these bonds that are present between the dead cells and washing them out, resulting in exposure of these young cells that are present below it and giving the skin more smoother, younger, and glowing effect. It is important to select the right AHA according to your skin type in order to get better results and to avoid skin irritation. And I'll be helping you to do that. So when it comes to using glycolic acid, you must know that the molecular size of glycolic acid is very small, due to which it penetrates deeper into the skin. And with repeated use, you might end up exfoliating these young cells too, resulting in loss of skin barrier and skin irritation. So if you are someone who want to use glycolic acid, uh, you should use it in the lower concentration. Cosmetic products usually use glycolic acid ranging from 1 to 10%. So start with a low concentration. And also I would suggest you to use glycolic acid as a peel off or a rinse off rather than a leave on product. Also remember that glycolic acid is more suitable for its use in intensive skin treatments that are performed by dermatologists, and for skin that is present over the elbow and knees, because that skin is thicker as compared to that on the face. Secondly, we have lactic acid. Now, lactic acid has a larger molecular size in comparison to glycolic acid. Hence, comparatively, it is milder and safer and will give you the same results minus the skin irritation until it is overdone or used wrongly. Cosmetic products use lactic acid at a concentration ranging from 5 to 10%. So if you're someone who's starting to use lactic acid, go for the lower concentration first. Also ensure that your face is properly cleansed. Completely dry it and then use lactic acid as your first active ingredient. Also make sure that you're not using it along with retinol. It can be highly irritating. And do not forget to use your sunscreen to protect those young cells. Remember to use it once a week, max twice a week, and use it only during the nighttime routine. Although lactic acid is milder, remember to use it only once a week, max twice. For better results, you can use it with vitamin C serum, making sure that you're using lactic acid first and then vitamin C serum. But if it is causing you irritation, you can stop that and use it on separate days too. Also remember that lactic acid is more suitable for normal to dry skin. Lastly, I'll be talking about mandelic acid. Now, it has the largest molecular size, meaning that it will not penetrate deep into the skin and will stay on the surface, dissolving the bonds that are present between the dead cells on the top layer of the skin. And therefore, it is the mildest form of AHA. Cosmetic products use mandelic acid at a concentration between 5 to 10%. And if you're someone who's starting to use mandelic acid, I would suggest you to start with the lower concentration. Just like lactic acid, remember that it is to be used once a week, max twice. Also, use it only during the nighttime. Do not pair it up with retinol. And do not forget your sunscreen to protect those young cells. If you have any more questions, make sure you comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.